Dear student, today's topic is electron gain enthalpy. The enthalpy change when electrons is added to an isolated gaseous atom. It's shown by the symbol delta EGH. May be exothermic, negative means energy is released, or endothermic, positive means energy is required. Example group 17 is high negative delta EGH, means they are show the exothermic condition, and noble gases have delta positive means they require the energy. So factor on which the electron gain enthalpy depends. First one, nuclear charge. More negative as Z means effective nuclear charge increases. This is due to the greater attraction for the incoming electron if nuclear charge is high. Means first one is a nuclear charge is high, so it's difficult. Size of the atom. Increases in the size of atom, distance between the nucleus and the incoming electron increases, and this resulting in laser attraction. Delta Ag is less, the size is increases. Means size of the atom is also a factor. Student, third factor is electronic configuration. The elements having stable electronic configuration of half-filled and completely filled valence subshell show very small tendency to accept additional electrons. So delta EGH less negative. So electron gain enthalpy of some elements you have seen on the table. Student, if we discuss about the third period, sodium. So sodium electron gain enthalpy is 53.1. Magnesium is just similar 0. Student, chlorine minus 348.3 means chlorine has accept electron easily. Argon has no tendency to electron accept. They are showing the delta EGH positive. Student, sodium has minus value means the energy is also released, but chlorine is higher delta EGH. So chlorine is accepting electron easily comparison than sodium. So student, variation down a group, incoming electron feels less attraction by large atom, hence decreases of delta EGH on down a group. The variation along a period, size of atom decreases, so Z increases. More negative delta EGH from left to right means when we come to the sodium to the chlorine, so chlorine tendency to electron easily acception comparison than sodium. So certain irregularities are observed in the general trend. Student, important trends in electron gain enthalpies. First, halogen have the highest negative electron gain enthalpy. Halogen group 17 general electric configuration N2Np5, only one electron less than stable noble gas configuration, so they have high tendency to accept electron. Second, electron gain enthalpy values of noble gases are positive, while those of beryllium, magnesium, nitrogen, phosphorus are almost 0. Because noble gas has a stable noble gas configuration Ns2Np6, they have absolutely no tendency to take an additional electron. This means that incoming electron enter the next higher principal quantum number level and does not feel any attraction for the nucleus. Beryllium, magnesium, nitrogen, phosphorus, stable configuration means half filled, full filled and half filled, hence tendency to accept of electron is 0. The third one, student, electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is unexceptionally less negative than that of chlorine. This is due to the very small size of fluorine atom. There are strong inter-electronic repulsion in relatively compact two piece of shell of fluorine, and incoming electron does not feel much attractions. So student, successive electron gain enthalpy, the second electron is added to a negatively charged ion and the additional to opposed to be Coulombic repulsion. The energy has to be supplied to force the second electron into the ion or anion. For example, oxygen, first electron is accept, so O negative. Delta AgH1 minus 141 kilojoule per mole, energy released. But in oxygen ion, when additional electron is added, O2 negative, delta AgH2 is 780 kilojoule per mole in a positive. So energy required to add an electrons. So student, in delta EgH1 it is minus, means exothermic, but in a EgH2 means positive, means it's a endothermic. Energy also required to it. So student, according to this topic, question number 3.22 is totally based in this. In a tabular form you have seen the different types of delta electron gain enthalpy. Student, the next topic is electronegativity. It's a very interesting point. The tendency of an atom of an element attract the shared pair of electron toward itself in a covalent bond. Electronegativity is released to an atom in bonded state. Fluorine is most electronegative atom. Pauling scale of electronegativity based on the bond enthalpy in heteronuclear bond. Two atoms and B same electronegativity, means E electronegativity AB. So they have attract the electron easily. So student, in a shared pair of electron in a covalent bond, to attracting power of an atom is known as electronegativity. These are some factors affecting the electronegativity. Student, first factor are oxidation state. Electronegativity increase as the positive oxidation state of an atom increase, because tendency to attract the electron will increase. For anions, electronegativity decrease with increased negative charge of the ion. Due to more negative charge, ion will attract less electron than a less negatively charged or neutral ion. So student, for example, F negative attract the easily the shared paired electron comparison than F2 negative condition. Student, the next factor are type of hybridization. S orbitals are nearer to the nucleus than PDF orbitals because of their penetration power. Therefore, S orbital will have greater electron attracting power or electronegativity. So, electron increases with the increasing S character of the hybrid orbital. For carbon, so student, carbon easily accept the shared pair, or they are attract the electrons toward, because they have S electrons, and S electrons is face the attracting power to the nucleus, so they are attract the shared pair of electron easily. So student, you have seen on the table methane sp3 and ethane C2H4 sp2 and ethine sp. So in this condition, electronegativity, if you have seen in the ethine condition, 50% condition, so the electronegativity high, so attracting to the shared pair electron is more effect. Third factor of student, nature of the substituents vary. This is due to the inductive effect of substituent group. Example, methyls 2.30, carbon tetrachloride 3.30, carbon tetrafluoride 3.35. Electronegativity of carbon adjusted by the presence of substituent 3 hydrogen, 3 chlorine, 3 fluorine atom. So in a condition of fluorine, because fluorine are the high electronegative, so their tendency are electronegativity of some elements, kilojoule per mole you have seen. Periodic variation of electronegativity in a period, student. If we discuss about the third, sodium has 0.9, and when we left to right, so the electronegativity, student, you have seen the trend, they are increased. The chlorine has 3.0. If we discuss about the halogen family, fluorine is the highest electronegative, the electronegative 4.0, and chlorine is 3.0. So due to the decrease in atomic size and increase in effective nuclear charge, the attraction of outer electrons and nucleus increase in a period. In a group generally decreases because atomic size increases and bonding electrons become away from the nucleus. So electronegativity and metallic and non-metallic character. Electronegativity inversely related to metallic properties of the elements. Increases in electronegativity down a group. Decreases in a non-metallic properties. Fluorine highest electronegative 4.0 is most non-metallic element. Cesium electronegativity 0.7 is most metallic element. So in a non-metallic character, electronegativity is high, but in a metallic condition, the electronegativity is low. So student, you have seen on the display the difference between the electron gain enthalpy electronegativity. Electron gain enthalpy, tendency of an isolated gaseous atom to attract an electron, but in electronegativity, tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract the shared pair of electron. Second, it is the property of isolated atom, but in a second, it is the property of a bonded atom. Third, electron gain enthalpy point, it is the absolute electron attracting power of an atom, but in electronegativity, it is the relative attracting power of an atom. Electron gain enthalpy. Fourth, it can be experimentally measured, but electronegativity, point number 4, it cannot be measured experimentally. Point number 5, in electron gain enthalpy, unit kilojoule per mole or electron volt per atom. By electronegativity, 5 point, no unit, only scale for comparison. And 6 point, delta EGH for an atom is constant. And 6 point, in electronegativity, not constant, depend upon the oxidation state, hybridization and nature of substituent. Question number 3.22 and 3.23 is based on this.